Being part of the youth community, I think this is a beautiful initiative which would really open the eyes of a lot of youngsters on the road.
Today, it's this event, he saved some life in some day.
We will educate our people for the emergency vehicle, how to move on.
Always emergency car, or you must give him away.
1 minute can really save the lives of many people.
Sometime ambulance car, sometime for fire, sometime it's police car. I have one question and I give you a nice police car. I want a driver. Explain for me how he should give away and he can use this photo. So when you get this license?
In 88 I got license in this city 1999.
I'll go slowly give ishara, then after I'll go to here.
Nice.
Maybe please.
You speak Ghazal with me Arabic. Ishara. Nice.
Inshallah. Thank you.
I want to give you a gift.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ramesh. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for everyone.
Let us give him a huge round of applause, lovely ladies and gentlemen, for that absolutely informative workshop.